I want you to take a look at the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Go to help about. Look at this version, it's 18.12.1. The problem with this is that when you go to connect, and you connect to a local database, like what you normally do last time, and you click on connect, you get an error message, cannot connect to local. You try all sorts of funny ways to connect, like so. This is what we normally do in previous versions. This will also fail the connections. In order to connect to a local database that you have just downloaded, SQL Server Management Studio, go to here, Google, and you type in SMS did not create local database. After that, this page will appear. Click on local database not seen, which I've already done just now. Inside local database not seen, scroll down and your answers is here. localDB/MS SQL localDB. You need this to connect to a database. Here, just copy this from the website and save it somewhere if you've forgotten. Paste it here and say connect. Then you have your local database now. SQL Server Management Studio has already changed the way you connect database in the old days. Instead of using local, you are now required to use localDB/MS SQL localDB. Hope this helps you to connect to your database. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.